Good morning. The crypto market's Fear and Greed Index has had a significant increase of 15 points, and in the last 19 days it has moved from a state of greed to extreme greed. Meanwhile, DeFi has seen its dominance decrease by 0.11 percentage points to 4.22%. Bitcoin, on the other hand, has increased its dominance by 0.49 points, rising to 51.62% since the last review. Today, on Your Crypto in 5 Minutes, we review Bitcoin. Let's get started. Main Bitcoin news of the last few days, reported by CoinPaprika. MicroStrategy buys more Bitcoin. MicroStrategy has bolstered its cryptocurrency portfolio, reaching a total of 190,000 Bitcoin. This significant stake, representing nearly 1% of all Bitcoins, underscores the company's influence. MicroStrategy's strategy to expand its Bitcoin portfolio, despite financial downturns and market uncertainties, highlights a strong conviction in the digital asset's future. Reported by ZyCrypto, BlackRock considers increasing Bitcoin holdings, foreseeing massive Bitcoin price upside. Rick Reeder, BlackRock's chief investment officer, further emphasized the importance of providing investors with accessible avenues to engage with Bitcoin, whether it be through ownership, trading, or liquidation. He also stressed that as more individual and institutional investors embrace Bitcoin as a legitimate asset, its potential for significant growth will become increasingly evident. Reported by CoinJournal, Bitcoin ETF inflows surge, threatening gold's reign as store of value. Recent data reveals a substantial surge in spot Bitcoin ETF inflows, particularly in the United States, setting the stage for a potential challenge to gold's historical dominance. This shift not only signals a changing tide in investment preferences but also prompts speculation about Bitcoin's long-term disruptive potential. Market cap. Obviously, Bitcoin remains in 1th place in the market cap ranking. On the other hand, its market cap increases by 17.33% from 19 days ago to $1.02 trillion. Regarding dominance, as we have already commented at the beginning, it increases 0.49 points in this period. Price. The price of Bitcoin is currently $52,112. This represents an increase of 17.3% in the last 19 days. Meanwhile, the chart shows an increase of 31.91% in the 30-day period. On the other hand, the extended 40-week chart shows an increase of 91.43% from $27,223. Let's also review the volume. The average daily transaction volume over the past 30 days is now $23,162 million. This represents a decrease of 8.18% from the value we obtained for this data 19 days ago. Price comparison with Ethereum. At this time, we see that 1 Bitcoin is equivalent to 17.48 Ethereum, and the incremental marker, which indicates a decrease of 7.06% compared to the review 19 days ago. The chart shows that Bitcoin has increased by 2.22% against Ethereum in the last 30 days. Meanwhile, in the last 40 weeks, Bitcoin has gained 19.07% in value against Ethereum. Community and social media metrics. Let's see how the social media popularity indicators for Bitcoin have evolved in these 19 days. The number of followers on X.com, former Twitter, increases by 0.76%, reaching 6,403,184 followers. The number of subscribers on Reddit increases by 1.45%, reaching 6,143,476 subscribers. The number of followers on Crypto Compare increases by 0.1%, reaching 109,767 followers. The number of users in CoinGecko portfolios increases by 1.16%, reaching 1,463,624 users. Finally, as we also see in the graph, in the Tranco ranking that measures traffic, interest, and global popularity on the internet of the Bitcoin.org domain. In these 19 days, it loses 82 positions and falls to the position 6,454. Supply and liquidity. The existing total supply of Bitcoin has increased by 0.09% to 19.63 million units. The circulating supply of Bitcoin has increased by 0.09% in the past 19 days, leaving the circulating supply at 19.63 million units. As a result, the ratio of the fully diluted value to the market cap increases by 0.08 points to 93.49%. And the sentiment of the CoinGecko community towards Bitcoin has decreased slightly in the past 19 days, but it continues to be very bullish. Wrapping up, let's go with the algorithmic predictions of the future price. For the next 30 days, the projection indicates an upward movement of 24.47% to $64,863. And finally, the medium-term projection for the next 30 weeks. It calculates an increase in the price of 57.97%. This would put Bitcoin at $82,323 in September 2024. Remember that these projections are based on past data and mathematical algorithms, and that they are not financial advice, because as we always say, no one knows the future. Not even Chris Larsen. To follow the metrics and advances of the main cryptocurrencies, subscribe, comment and like, because Chris Larsen would do it too. Good day and good business.